Not to mention, we are one of the most affordable among other vocational education provider within the areas. So with VIE, we are very happy to support in terms of your preparation before you fly to Australia. We are very lenient in terms of the payment scheme. You can start already your application at VIE, and with that, you're already eligible for the automatic scholarship that we do provide. So yun lang.
And we are back again to another episode of My Great Set Go, the Bonsal Pod, and our school representative for this afternoon is the one and only from Victoria Institute of Education, Sir Josh. Josh, and good afternoon.
Hello.
Welcome back to Bansal.
Yes. Thank you so much once again. My name is Josh Iban. I'm the Regional Marketing Manager for Victorian Institute of Education. So basically, VIE or Victorian Institute of Education is located in Sydney and in Adelaide. So I'm very happy to be part of your initiative for your podcast today because I would love to share more about the things you'd like to know about Australia, why you should consider studying in Australia, and of course, the programs and offerings that VIE does provide.
Yes, actually, Sir, tama ka. We are really excited and delighted to really know more about the school that you are representing. So, Sir, amongst the different school, what makes Victoria Institute of Education a great choice for our Filipino international students?
Well, that's a very good question. Primarily because of the location that we have. Our campus is located in Sydney and Adelaide. Sydney is our city campus, whereas Adelaide is our regional area campus. So in terms of location, we are in the central business district of both areas. Although sa city, of course, sa Sydney talaga mas it's more commercialized compared to Adelaide. But if you want to have a rural area or low-key pero highly urbanized, then go for a regional area like Adelaide. Plus, in Adelaide, yung cost of living is cheaper and more affordable compared to Sydney. Aside from that, of course, the programs and offerings that we have are high quality because we are at par of all the with Home Affairs, we are regularly being audited. We are at par with the standards that Australia do have among its school providers. So, yun yung isa sa mga pinaka-bentahe, parang ganun, ng VIE. And not to mention, we are one of the most affordable among other vocational education provider within the areas na meron kami. So, yun, in terms of value for money, education quality, and of course, the location.
Yes, it's very strategic and very accessible across the regions in Australia, ang Victoria Institute of Education. Second question, based on the, siyempre, napag-usapan natin yung location, let's talk about the popular courses. Ano ba yun? What are those popular courses and what career opportunities are waiting for our future international students?
So VIE as a vocational education and a training provider, we do not offer higher education like bachelor, masters. What we offer are certificate programs, diploma, advanced diploma, and graduate diploma. So we focus on business, IT, and health courses. Among such are business courses like yung ating graduate diploma for management and learning. At the same time, information technology, accountancy is also one of our good choices. Among such our healthcare courses, we have care support, aging support, individual support, and aging support. At the same time, our focus into community service is also really there and in childcare. I'd like also to highlight yung civil construction design that we do offer in both of our campuses in Sydney and in Adelaide. So we have an array of courses na highly popular at the same time, very opportunity driven.
Yes.
Not only internationally but more so in Australia. For those po na might be interested or you have a background in, for example, you have a background in teaching or at the same time you have a background in allied health courses. So might as well you might check our programs and baka may fit for you should you consider studying in Australia. So baka kami yung best choice for you.
Yes, actually, sir, let's try to remove baka kasi
Mm.
naka-Filipino naman tayo.
I see.
Bilang
Oo
Filipino,
nga,
alam
oo
natin
naman.
na the landscape, the expertise
Yes,
of
yes.
our, viewers right now. And you know what, everyone, we are very fortunate na isa sa mga talagang focus ng ating Victoria Institute of Education ay mga in-demand na mga expertise ng mga Filipino.
Mhm.
Which is, you might find that you're also interesting and do consider now Victoria Institute of Education as one of your choices in terms of studying abroad. Aside from that, sir, as we all know, moving to another place, country, it's hard,
Mhm.
diba? And generally. So, what support do you provide, the institution provide, to help our Filipino international students to settle into Australia?
This is a very interesting question because I must agree that any change is difficult, but if you prepare for the change, it will not be that much. So with VIE, we are very happy to support in terms of your preparation before you fly to Australia,
Mhm.
because we do provide orientation. We do give you the details
Mhm.
and what to expect in Australia or in general or in VIE also.
Mhm.
Then once you are there, we also provide another orientation para mas ma-immerse kayo
Mhm.
of what we do, what are the initiatives, what are the schedules, who are the staff,
Mhm.
who to contact, and everything more about VIE. But more than that, while you are applying, for example, you might need an assistance in terms of your accommodation. We are in cooperation and partnership with the Australian Homestay Network.
Mhm.
The school itself, VIE, does not provide the accommodation, but
Mhm.
since we are in cooperation and in partnership with AHN,
Mhm.
Australian Homestay Network, we do endorse them for the accommodation need that they need. For example, one room, two rooms, or whole house, depending on the need of the student. Aside from that, kailangan ng airport pickup. Once you are there already, critical time, around in the midnight, kailangan mo nang maghahatid sa'yo from airport to your accommodation. We do provide also. But those are pre-arrival or preparations. Then once you are there, isa sa mga pinaka magandang service that we provide is, of course, the student community na meron
Okay.
kami. Since we are dealing with an international environment,
Mhm.
international students, we have a lot of course, international students coming from different races. So we're happy that we got to assist them according to their need in terms of their heritage, culture. As we know, Australia is a melting pot of culture and diversity.
Yes.
So especially for Filipino, we have a good number of Filipino in Australia in VIE. So in terms of support system, we are more than grateful to support them in that. Just an example also in terms of work opportunity, especially with our allied health courses, meron kaming tinatawag na work placement.
Okay.
So once you are in under allied health course, for example, you are working childcare or you are not working, you are studying childcare, you are under the program of community service, meron kaming work placement. We deploy you to our affiliated company, clinic, hospital, or entity wherein you can maximize your experience firsthand. Although that's not paid, hindi ka mababayaran for that because it is included in the curriculum. Pero there are most often than not kung saan ka na-deploy, dun ka din kinukuha for your
Okay.
work eventually as you graduate. So yun yung mga success stories that we
Yes.
have in VIE and many more
Yes.
and many more services that we offer. We are very lenient in terms of the payment scheme. Of course, meron tayong standard for that, but there are leniency kay VIE on that. So, and to name a few.
Yes. Thank you so much, Sir Josh, for that very informative, sharing of, insights about student support. So to our viewers, sa mga nanonood po ngayon, rest assured that Victoria Institute of Education will really take care of you because may mga partnerships tayo that would also eventually help us as we settle in to Australia. So hindi na siya malaking tanong sa atin. Nako. Let's talk about, do you consider students who have been refused or may mga history ng refusals?
That's a tricky question because,
Yeah.
of course, nagbabago yung ihip ng hangin ng preference ni Australia.
Yes.
Minsan maluwag sila for such cases.
Cases.
Nowadays, medyo mahigpit sila. So, depende yung status ng policies ni Australia sa policies that institutions also do apply or implement. But to answer right away, we are not saying no, but we are not saying yes right away to cases like that.
Yes.
In the past, meron kaming mga students kami na they have been refused and then later on reapplied to VIE and then they got successfully have their visa grant. But there are cases also na na-refuse talaga sila.
Yes.
So, yes, there are cases like that. But again, it is always a case-to-case basis.
Yes.
But VIE is very lenient to reconsider.
Yes.
Okay. So, we're open for candidates na merong refusal in the past. But we need to really review para iwas risk din.
Yes.
And to minimize the risk if ever with the student and with the school.
Yes. Pero at least no, ma-check natin and mailaban pa ng bahagi ang
Tama yan, tama yan.
Yes, that's the best thing that you could do. Kaya ngayon pa lang, iniimbitahan namin kayo to send your inquiries to us so that we're able to really help you when it comes to refusals if you have a history to that. Para mapadala natin kayo papuntang Victoria Institute of Education. And you know what, sir? I think one of the things that our viewers are really interested are your, do you have any discounts? Your program.
Yes. Yeah. One of the encouragement that we would like to share is, of course, the scholarship that we have. Just recently, we have our 2,000 automatic scholarship, 2,000 Australian dollars scholarship for all our Filipino students. Nowadays, I think it has expired already, but it's still open for 1,000.
Okay.
But of course, there are still opportunities to get that into 2,000 again.
Yes.
Let's see. But for now, we are very happy to share that we have still an automatic scholarship available for all our Filipino students.
Automatic. So you don't necessarily, you just need to provide the, pertinent information and everything.
Exactly.
Para ma-qualify tayo.
Exactly. Actually,
very good.
Yung initial requirements, I would just like to run through also yung initial requirements that VIE does. Dapat lang is our initial requirement is our application form, updated passport, curriculum vitae, and of course, yung inyong school records like TOR, diploma. So, apat na yun, you can start already your application at VIE. And with that, you're already eligible for the automatic scholarship that we do provide. So, yun lang. You've started already your application through Bansal Immigration, and then you got the automatic scholarship with VIE right away.
Sana na sulat ng ating mga viewers yun. Playback para later on, habang kinokompleto pa nila, at least sa checklist nila, yung Magic 4 na kailangan natin when it comes to that context. So, sir, let's give advice to our future Filipino students as your final words to them.
Yes, thank you so much once again, Bansal Immigration Consultancy, for giving me the platform, for giving us the platform to share more about what we offer with VIE, in VIE. So, actually, every time that I'm being asked for this, kung ano yung parting words to our students is the preparation. You need to prepare not only with financially, but you need to prepare emotionally, physically, spiritually. Ang pinaka-importante. Yun kasi yung mga bagay na they will not teach you.
Yes.
Pero yung mga bagay na yun will start within you.
It's very personal.
Very personal and very
intrinsic.
Yeah, intrinsic. Yung ating motivation for that. So, do your research, make yourself aware of the updates, policy changes, and of course, make yourself ready. Once you're there, and ultimately seek the guidance of the Lord.
Yes.
Para naman guided yung inyong pag-application from day 1 up until the time that you arrive in Australia.
Yeah, I think that's it. No, sir, we are really thankful
Thank you so much.
to your blessings to our viewers. So hopefully, to our future Filipino international students, we may be able to send you to Victoria Institute of Education through also Sir Josh and also with the help of Bansal Philippines. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Drop your questions in our comments or you may directly DM us at Bansal Philippines. And that's another episode, a very successful episode of My Great Set Go, the Bansal Pod with Sir Josh, and we're going to see you again next time. Thank you so much and have a good day. See you in Australia.